Hey everyone, this is Alex, lead designer and creator of Rise of Industry. Now, a lot has happened on these couple of months, so let me show you with a new edition of the Dev Diaries what has happened and what you can enjoy from now on. To make the maps a little bit more interesting, we have the rivers. They're going to cut across the map in a slate-like fashion, and you'll need to use bridges to get across. One of the very first things you'll see is a completely different behavior when it comes to towns. They're going to place a lot of buildings, they're going to trade with each other, they're going to create their own production routes. So don't be afraid if towns immediately and spontaneously explode with a bunch of buildings. With the revamp of Town AI, we rewrote also the way the towns behave. So some are going to be way more aggressive than others. They're going to scout everything that is around them, see if there's any coal, any iron, any gas, and they're going to act accordingly. If you open the panel, you're going to see if they are eco-friendly, industrial, heavy industrial, rural, or whatever. It's been a while since last time we added some content in terms of production. So we decided to add the plantation as a new building with several fields and revamp a lot the food industry. We added, basically doubled the amount of recipes available, including chocolate, sugar, and others. Just have a look. Of course, the recipe book is completely updated. A new awesome building is the truck depot. Basically, it works like an early game train terminal. You can set up trade routes with trucks, and they have a little bit more capacity than normal trucks, which is handy for long trips that are not as expensive as the train. They're fairly easy to use, so don't worry about the intricacies. The warehouses are a completely new type of building. They don't produce anything. They just have a radius, and every building that falls inside that radius will be under its control. You specify what products you want it to look for, and it will dispatch trucks looking for that product and bringing it back. It goes very well with a truck depot next to it, and it's perfect to put it in the middle of hugely dense production sites. A lot of you requested and wanted this. This is the first iteration. The big one will come in Alpha 5. But right now, when you create an intersection on train tracks, there's going to be a new set of signals where you can define if trains are allowed to go one way, the other way, both, or none. This will help you customize a little bit the layouts, and will also add the possibility to use both tracks in the train terminal. One for incoming and the other one for outgoing goods.